How to deactivate your Facebook account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can deactivate your Facebook account. All you have to do is open up Facebook app and you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner of your screen and then head into settings. Now once on settings, what you want to do is head into personal and account information, and here you'll find the option account ownership and control, and you can delete it from here. However, if you don't find the option here like me, you can see there is no any option. What you want to do is head into Play Store and search in for the app Facebook Lite. Now simply search in FB Lite and you'll find the option Facebook Lite. Download this and open it up and log into your account on this. It's totally safe, so you don't need to worry about it. Once you do it, what you want to do is open it up and you can see I've logged in my account here. You'll get an interface like this. Tap on the three horizontal line icon again at the top right corner of your screen and then scroll down and under settings and privacy head into settings as well. Now once you head into settings and privacy, under account you can see the first option, personal and account information. Tap on it and you'll get four different options that you can see. Simply tap on access and control, manage your data. You can see here, simply tap on it and head into second option, deactivation and deletion. Simply tap on deactivation and deletion and you'll find two different options you can see. Now if you want to deactivate your account, you can simply tap on deactivate account, make sure the blue tick is on deactivate account and simply tap on continue, and it'll ask for some confirmation. Tap on continue again and it'll ask you for password, and once you type in your password, simply tap and continue and your Facebook account will be deactivated. So this way you can deactivate your Facebook account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.